It's always been giving to others and always giving more than you take, and that stands true today. And I know whichever 5 of these incredible women are going to have that Miss USA crown in just a couple of minutes, they're going to withhold this creed.
I love it so much. And listen, there can only be one winner tonight, but just remember, I've never won anything in my life, and I have 3 Emmys. So, you know what I mean? Like, it always
You
works
are
out.
all winners for sure. Thank you so much, Morgan. Thank you.
All right, the rounds are completed. The judges have spoken, and we will begin by announcing our runners-up. And then we're going to crown Miss USA 2023.
And it happens right now.
Our 4th runner-up, Texas.
Our 3rd runner-up, Pennsylvania.
Getting closer to the crown, our 2nd runner-up, Wisconsin.
This is it. Only 2 stand before us. One is our 1st runner-up, and the other is Miss USA 2023. If for any reason the crowned Miss USA cannot fulfill her duties, the 1st runner-up shall take her place. Good luck to you both, and congratulations.
Miss USA 2023 is Utah! Congratulations, Utah!
Congratulations.
Miss Utah, take your first walk as the new Miss USA! Ladies and gentlemen, what an amazing night!